Hello everyone, welcome back in lecture series on topic solid state. In previous video, we have studied about the two types of voids formed by stacking of two hexagonal close packed layers. One is tetrahedral void and other one is octahedral void. Tetrahedral void means a vacant space or empty space among four spheres having tetrahedral arrangement is called tetrahedral void, like this. These are the three spheres of layer A, and when these three spheres are joined, then a triangular empty space is formed. And above this empty space, if the sphere of the second layer is placed, then that void which is formed in between these four spheres, that is called as a tetrahedral void. And the vacant space which is surrounded by six spheres having octahedral arrangement around it is called octahedral void. So suppose these are the three spheres of the lower layer and these are the three spheres of the upper layer. See here like this. Then the space, empty space, मोकळी जागा किंवा रिकामी जागा, that is surrounded by these six spheres, that is called as a octahedral void. Now see here how the tetrahedral void is formed. These are the three spheres and here is the empty space, triangular space between these three spheres. And when the sphere of the second layer is placed over this, then this empty space is surrounded by four spheres. And if you join the centers of these four spheres, then we get what? Tetrahedron. So this empty space in between these four particles, that is called as a tetrahedral void. Like this, these are the three spheres from upper layer and these are the three spheres from the lower layer. So the empty space between these six spheres, which is surrounded by these six spheres, that is called as a octahedral hole or octahedral void. How this octahedral void is formed? See here. These two spheres and these two spheres from upper layer and lower layer, if you join these like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, if you join these four spheres, we get a square like structure. And this sphere, that is which is above the plane, and this sphere which is below the plane, if you join these to these four spheres, then we get an octahedron. And therefore the empty space between these, that is called as a octahedral void. So this part we have studied in previous lecture, and today in this lecture we will study the relation between number of atoms and voids. So number of tetrahedral voids is equal to 2 into number of atoms. जेवढे atoms असतील त्याच्या डबल काय असणार? Tetrahedral voids असणार. So number of tetrahedral voids is equal to 2 into number of atoms. Suppose n is the number of atoms or particles, then number of tetrahedral void is equal to 2 into n. That means what? There are two tetrahedral voids associated with each atom, and number of octahedral voids is equal to number of atoms. So if n is the number of atom, then number of octahedral voids are also n. जेवढे octahedral voids असतील तेवढेच number of atoms असतात. त्यामुळे नंबर ऑफ ॲटम्स देऊन तुम्हाला ऑक्टाहेड्रल व्हॉइड्स सांगा किंवा टेट्राहेड्रल व्हॉइड्स कॅल्क्युलेट करा असा क्वेश्चन तुम्हाला येऊ शकतो. सो रिमेंबर दिस रिलेशन, दॅट इज नंबर ऑफ टेट्राहेड्रल व्हॉइड इज इक्वल टू 2 into n and number of octahedral void is equal to n, where n is the number of particles. Therefore, one octahedral void is associated with each atom, and therefore the ratio between these two, that is octahedral void to tetrahedral void, is 1:2. Now, how these voids are formed in FCC structure and HCP structure, that is hexagonal close packing and cubic close packing or FCC structure that we will study. So in FCC, that is face center cubic structure, total number of atoms are 4. That means here this is the FCC structure, and in FCC structure at the 8 corners of the cube 8 atoms are there and 6 faces are there, and at the center of the each face 6 atoms are there, and therefore the total atoms present in FCC are 4. How? See here. This face centered atom or particle is shared between 2 unit cell. Therefore, this particular unit cell belongs only the half atom. That is, contribution of this sphere is only half, and therefore as it has 6 faces, 1 divided by 2 into 6, and that is equal to 3. And at the 8 corners 8 particles are there, but these are shared by 8 other unit cells. Therefore only 1/8 part belongs to this particular unit cell, and therefore 1 upon 8 into 8, that is equal to 1. So 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4 particles per unit cell. Now you know that the number of particles is equal to number of octahedral voids. So in FCC, number of octahedral voids is equal to number of atoms, and as number of atoms is 4, number of octahedral voids are 4. Now these 4 voids are of which type, that we will see. One octahedral void is at the center of the FCC structure, and the 3 octahedral voids are the edges, center of the edges. Now see here, actually 12 octahedral voids are present at the 12 edges, but these are shared by the 4 other unit cell, and therefore it comes 3, and 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. Now how these octahedral voids are formed, that we will see. Out of 4 octahedral void, 1 is at the center of the body and 3 are at the edges. So here, and the octahedral void which is present at the center of the body, that is not shared by other unit cell. And how it is formed, see here. These are the blue colored spheres, indicates the face centered atom. So these face center atom 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. That is, this void, empty space between these 6 spheres and these 6 spheres, that is called as a octahedral void. Thus empty space in between these spheres, 6 spheres, that is a octahedral void. If these 2 face centered atoms and these 2 face centered atom, if you join these 4 face centered atom and the face centered atom at the top of face and face centered atom at the bottom face, if you join these, then we get what? Octahedral. And the space or empty space, which is vacant space, which is remain in between these 6 spheres, that is called as an octahedral void, and this is at the center of the body. So this is one octahedral void, and other octahedral voids are present at the center of the each edge. You know that in FCC structure 12 edges are there, and at each edge octahedral void is there, and you know that the octahedral void is surrounded by 6 atoms. But out of these, in FCC structure, out of these 6 atoms, 4 atoms belong to the same unit, and the 2 atoms belong to 2 other adjacent unit cell. See, 4 atoms belongs to the same unit. Which 4 atoms belongs to the same unit? That is, out of these 4 atoms, 2 are face center and 2 are corner atoms. See, suppose consider this unit cell. Now these are the two corner particles of this unit cell. This is one, this one is. And two face centered particles of this unit cell are involved in octahedral void formation. So this is one face center particle of this particular unit cell. हे एक आहे आणि टॉपच्या फेसचं जे आहे ते एक आहे. So this one is. So these two face particle and these two corner particles of this unit cell and these two particles, face center particle from the adjacent unit cell. When all these 6 particles are joined, then a void is formed. See here, this corner particle and this face particle from adjacent unit cell and this corner particle and this face center particle of the face center particle of the same unit cell. When these 4 particles, 1, 2, 3, 4, out of these 3 belongs to the same unit cell and 1 from the adjacent unit cell. So when these 4 particles are joined, then we get a square-like structure. And when it is joined to the face center particle of the above unit cell and this unit cell, then we get an octahedral shape, and the empty space in between these two, that is called as an octahedral void, which is present at the edge of the unit cell. But what happens here, this edge particle is shared by 4 other unit cell. Every edge there is an octahedral void, and that octahedral void is shared by the 4 unit cell 1, 2, 3 and 4, and therefore 12 into 1 upon 4, that is equal to 3. So 3 octahedral voids are at the center of the edge. So here 3 plus 1, that is how many? 4 octahedral voids are there in FCC structure. Now we will see the tetrahedral voids. Now you know the relation, number of tetrahedral void is equal to 2 into number of atoms. So number of tetrahedral void in FCC structure is equal to 2 into number of atoms are 4. Therefore 2 into 4, that is equal to 8. So how many number of tetrahedral voids are present in FCC? 8. Now we will see how these are formed. So see here, this is the corner particle and this is the another corner particle. So each corner particle, this corner particle forms one tetrahedral void. Now these 3 spheres are there. These are the spheres of the face. This is the black color sphere is the face center atom of the front face. Then here it is from bottom face and it is the side face. So 1, 2 and 3, these are the face centered particles and one is octahedral particle. If you join these 4 particles, 3 face centered and 1 corner particle, then it forms what? A tetrahedral shape, and space which is present, that is vacant space which is present in between these 4 spheres, that is called as a tetrahedral void. So every corner particle in FCC structure, every corner particle like this also forms the tetrahedral void. So every corner particle forms a tetrahedron. So there are 8 corner particles and therefore the 8 tetrahedral voids are present. So number of tetrahedral voids are 8. Like this, at each corner particle forms such a type of a tetrahedral voids, and these are not, tetrahedral voids are also not shared by the other unit cell, and therefore what happens here? The tetrahedral voids are equal to 1, and tetrahedral voids in FCC is formed by, how it is formed? By 3 face centered atom and 1 corner atom. See here, these are the 3 face center atom. Blue colored atoms are face centered atom. हे बॉटमच्या फेसचं आहे, हे साईडच्या फेसचं आणि हे फ्रंटच्या फेसचं. हे 3 आणि हे हा कॉर्नर रेड कलरचं जे पार्टिकल आहे ते कॉर्नर पार्टिकल आहे. दे फॉर्म व्हॉट? अ टेट्राहेड्रॉन. Like that, this particle also form one more tetrahedron. This particle form one tetrahedron. This particle form one tetrahedron. Like this, every corner particle forms tetrahedron. And these are not shared by any other unit cell. And therefore, here, how many number of octahedral voids are there? Octahedral voids are 4 and tetrahedral voids are 8 in FCC structure. So remember that in FCC there are 4 octahedral voids and 8 tetrahedral voids. Now in HCP, hexagonal closed pack structure. Now you know that you have studied hexagonal closed pack structure. In hexagonal closed pack structure, AB type of arrangement is there. And every third layer is similar to first layer. So in hexagonal closed pack layer, coordination number of any atom is 12, and it contains how many atoms? 6 atoms in a unit cell. Now see here, observe this picture. In your yellow colored atoms, they represent what? Face center atom. 2 face center atoms are there here. Then blue colored atoms, that is 1, 2 and 3, which are present in the body, and there are 3 atoms are there, and 12 corner atoms are there. Red colored atoms indicates corner atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Like this, the bottom face 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 12 corner atoms are there. Now here, the middle atoms are not shared by any other unit cell, and therefore total 3 atoms are there, like this 3, and corner atoms are shared by 6 unit cell, and therefore 12 atoms, total 12 corner atoms into 1 by 6, that gives you total number of atoms 2. So 3 plus 2, and each face center atom is shared among 2 unit cell. हे एका वरच्या वरचं जे आहे युनिट सेल त्याला शेअर केलेलं असणार, आणि हे खाली जे आहे बॉटमला त्याला शेअर केलेलं असणार. त्यामुळे 2 फेस ॲटम्स इंटू 1 by 2, दॅट इज इक्वल टू 1 ॲटम. सो 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 6. So this hexagon contain what? Total 6 atoms. And as 6 atoms are there, you know that what is the relation? Number of octahedral void is equal to number of atoms. So number of octahedral voids in HCP are 6, and number of tetrahedral voids is equal to 2 into number of atoms. So number of tetrahedral void is equal to 2 into 6, that is equal to 12. Out of these 12, 8 tetrahedral voids are present in the body of this particular unit cell, that is hexagonal closed pack structure, and 4 tetrahedral voids are present at the edge of the corner of atoms of the this hexagonal closed packing. So in FCC, octahedral voids are 4 and tetrahedral voids are 8, and in HCP, octahedral voids are 6 and tetrahedral voids are 12. So thank you for watching this video.